Hey guys, Rhett here. Have something a little bit different for you today. One of my clients who has a ton of units in a certain market, in the market that we're in right now, actually bought this house for themselves. And what they're going to do is when they come to town to check in on their portfolio and to acquire new units, they're gonna live here. So for this reconstruction, it's gonna be a little bit different. You're gonna see some things here that you don't always see in the units that we build for Section 8. Some level of luxury that we don't usually put in our Section 8 units. And we're gonna walk through it quick. There are guys working, but basically what my client did here was buy this house for $90,000. We're putting a little over $30,000 into it, about $35,000 into it. I don't know if we're gonna be able to talk when we get in there, but I'll point out in the living room, there's a big black area that the refrigerator on the kitchen side leaked and rotted the entire subfloor, so all that's being replaced. We did LVP, repainting this thing. We're doing all new countertops. We're doing 2 custom bathrooms, as well as all LVP downstairs. We're not gonna go downstairs because we have guys working on the stairs to go downstairs, and we're doing some plumbing and some light electrical work. So we're gonna walk through here, we're gonna talk about it if we can. If not, I'm just gonna walk through it quick, show you guys, and then we'll be able to talk when we go kind of towards the back of the house. So guys, LVP, we're laying that down here. All the old flooring ripped up. We're doing all high quality LVP in here. This is that area that I was talking about. So all of that is rotted out. We gotta replace that. The kitchen is on this side. So the water leaked underneath from the refrigerator. One of the reasons why we never do refrigerators for our rental units that have water access where you can go up and fill your water up, because they leak all the time. You don't want anything with a water connection. So that's a good reason why we don't do that. We're going all new light fixtures in here. We're gonna get the fan out of here, okay? As we walk through here, all new doors here, new washer dryer hookups going in here, new electrical right there as well. That's to code, because that is not. We have guys working on the bottom of these stairs right now, but these are the stairs downstairs. There's actually like 3 bedrooms down there. So really nice to host guests, okay? So we're not gonna go down there. Now into the kitchen, all of this, we're putting LVP down all throughout the kitchen as well. This is old vinyl sheet flooring. We're gonna pull this up and get rid of it. All of these countertops are getting taken out. All new countertops going in here. You guys can see that all of the cabinet drawers and cabinets are gone. That's because they're all getting repainted. Now, some of the bodies are already starting this first coat. So the bodies are getting their first coats here, coats of paint here, and they'll get hit probably 3 or 4 times. So all of the actual pieces are getting painted elsewhere. So a lot of new doors going in here. You guys can see that we ripped up the flooring in here. So flooring's ripped up, all new LVPs going in through here as well. This was all disgusting LVP. And now into the bathroom. So in the bathroom, we're totally redoing this. So we're doing all tile. Everything down here, it's all black tile. We're changing out this mirror. We're getting rid of this. It's getting new vanity in here. We're gonna run a countertop. We gotta get access to that for plumbing. So we're running a countertop from here all the way across. It's gonna go all the way to here. And then what we're gonna do is we're not gonna fill this in. This is gonna be a powder room, so we'll have a powder chair in here as well. So guys, just a little bit different in terms of what we usually do. And then same thing in here. We're gonna run tile all through here. We're gonna re-epoxy the shower that's in here as well. Refinish the tub in here. Of course, brand new toilet and everything like that. So pretty good transformation in there. It'd be a really nice full guest bathroom. Now, at the end of the hallway, we have another bedroom that is about to undergo its vinyl. Okay, this is really prepped and this is ready to go. So we're in really good position here to get this thing done quick. This client is moving down here very soon. He's going to come back and forth, but instead of getting hotel rooms and doing all that, he opted to stay here. Now, guys, this is the first time we've ever had something like this in one of our markets. This client has well over 200 units. So this is absolutely not something you need to do. We have the teams in place specifically so you don't have to do this. But in this instance, when you're buying literally 10 to 20 units a month, it's nice having a place when you're going to check in on projects where you can come and it's yours, and then you keep it for a year, and then his intentions are to sell it anyway. So coming to the rear, guys, this is going to be the master. So master bath and bedroom. We have a nice big closet here. So big, kind of a walk-in, his and hers, and all the LVP going down here as well. New light fixtures up here, and then coming in here, we have the bathroom. Now, one thing that he really wanted was a full custom bathroom. So what we're doing is we are going all hexagonal black tiling on the entire floor. So the entire floor is being done in here. We're gonna go a double vanity right here, brand new toilet, of course, and then in here, this is going to be the stand-up shower. So coming in here, of course, we have our drain line. So we'll set up all of our sewer piping and line those up to the appropriate sewer lines. We have installed all of this plumbing, and then we have an overhead. This is going to be a kind of the rain shower style shower. It's going to come from right here, kind of that waterfall rain style. There was a wall here. We knocked the wall back. We took about 2 feet from the linen closet that was in the guest bathroom to allow us to kind of cut back and add this section right here. So we're going all white subway tile the entire way on both walls and the ceiling, and we're going all black hexagonal through the entire shower floorboard all the way through the bathroom. So really nice, guys, and very different. And I know you usually don't see us doing projects like this, but when it comes to the range of projects that we do, nothing is too small, nothing is too big, and whatever you need, we can facilitate. And this is one of those requests. Now, believe it or not, I get requests that are different all the time because clients from all over the world have different needs, and this is just one of those different requests, and I'm thrilled about it because this gentleman is so bought in to what we're doing and sees that it works and says, you know what, I want to have a place in that market where I can travel and I can be there and I can just be able to go and look at properties with me and with my team in person and go whenever they want. So unbelievable, guys. I'm fired up for this client. Very unique, and if you have questions, comments, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll get to all of them, and we'll see you next time.